Okay, so hi dear Libra. Very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a mid-monthly energy check-in for all the Libra Sun Moon Venus rising for the rest of the month of August 2026. Keep in mind this is general. This might or might not resonate. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass too, links are given below. So let's start. So overall energy for Libra people for this week. Let's see. Overall energy for Libra people for this week. Hey, let me use my new deck. Just give me a second. I just forgot. This is the new deck I'm using. Change Tarot. This is really pretty. And I feel like very connected to this deck. Let's see. The overall energy for Libra people for this month, for rest of this month. I think I accidentally said week in previously, but it's for the rest of this month. Six of Cups, Ten of Cups, the World card. Okay. There is a situation from the past that's still very important for you. This is something that's very close to home or close to your heart. It can be like a friendship, it can be family, it can be a romantic connection. There's a completion of a cycle there. Like there is something ending and there is something new starting. Okay. So there might be a connection, a bond, a situation. It can be actually anything in your life, but for most of you, it's a connection only. It can be a business that you used to do at some point of time. It was very close to your heart, or a family business maybe, or a community service. But whatever it is related to your past and it's very close to home. So something in that situation ended. Okay, there was a completion of a cycle. Now you guys are planning to do something about it in a fresh way, bringing it back to life in a fresh way. That is what your energies are for this rest of this month. Okay, let's see in the recent past what was happening, Libra. We have the Two of Cups again. There was a situation that was very close to your heart and soul. It was a soulmate kind of a dynamic that you were sharing with somebody. We'll clarify the cards in order to get the clear picture. Currently we have the Eight of Pentacles, putting in the effort and energy in the right direction to make something happen. And by the end of this month we have the Chariot. You're going to be in a strong determination kind of energy that this is how it is going to be, and this is how you guys are going to proceed further. Let's clarify these cards. Let's clarify the Two of Cups in the recent past for you guys. We have the Seven of Cups and the Three of Swords and the Four of Pentacles. Okay. The situation went down because of lots of confusion, lots of ups and downs, and lots of other people, other situations, making the situation very difficult to deal with. There was heartbreak, there was hurt and pain. Something happened between you and this energy, and you got caught up in the pain. It's like you were holding on to the pain, you were holding on to the hurt, you were holding on to the heartbreak, and you were trying your best to heal it with so many possible ways from your side. And okay, a situation went down and your heart got broken, and and you felt like you should heal and move on, but you were not able to let go of the pain. You were not able to let go of the heartbreak because of that situation, and you were holding on to that heartbreak like crazy. You're like, okay, I'm never letting go of this pain because this is important for me to hold on to that. I don't know why. Currently we have the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, there were so many things, so many circumstances that led to this heartbreak, but instead of healing, you were trying to heal but you were not able to, and you were holding on to that pain for like, this is what I am going to have in my life for the rest of my life regarding the situation. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles in the current energies. We have the Eight of Pentacles again, the Five of Cups, and the Star card. Yeah, Now you are slowly but surely opening up to the idea of getting out of this being upset about the situation all the time kind of energy, and healing yourself. You are like, okay, whatever happened happened, I cannot change it, I cannot fix it, I cannot do anything about it. All I can do is accept it and be aware that this is what it is and this is how it is going to be from this point onwards. So you are now planning to start your healing process, to start your healing journey, and remaining very optimistic and positive to the idea of moving forward in your life without this energy. Although I do see you moving on from this person, this energy physically, you're still hopeful that at some point of time you guys are going to reconnect somehow. Let's clarify the chariot as the potential outcome for by the end of this month, Libra. So we have the Judgment, the Ten of Wands, and the Ace of Wands. Okay, you are going to be very, very determined to make something right in a particular situation. You are going to bring something back on the table so that you can heal it properly, release it properly, and have a brand new beginning in this direction with this particular person or energy. I cannot show this card like properly because there are images that are not validated by YouTube, so I have to keep it hidden. But this is like the Judgment card. So the Judgment, the Ten of Wands, the Ace of Wands. You are going to be strong in a very strong determination kind of energy of, okay, right now this situation is not with me. Right now this situation is not in my life. But I'm going to make sure that this person, this situation is going to be with me in the coming future. No matter how, no matter when, no matter how, no matter what, I will make something happen. I will not let this person or the situation go out of my life. They are important. This is important. Now, again, for most of you, it's a relationship kind of a dynamic. For others of you, it can be a job, a business, a career opportunity, a family situation. It can be actually anything. So basically, what I'm getting here is something ended and it transformed into a completely different thing. Okay. And you were trying your best to let go and release, but you were not able to. Then you finally decided to release and heal yourself. And then by the end of this month, I do see you being in this energy of, I'll get it back. No matter what, no matter when, no matter how, or no matter what I have to do, I'll get it back and I'll have this brand new beginning. Okay. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this month, Libra. You guys are refusing to give up. So we have the Knight of Wands, the High Priestess, the Six of Wands. Before doing anything impulsive, before doing something that you're going to regret maybe for the rest of your life, listen to your intuition. Sit with yourself, listen to your intuition, sit with yourself in silence and question yourself again and again and again that whatever you're planning to do, is it going to lead to some kind of success or it's going to lead to some kind of regretful outcome that you're not going to like. So before doing anything in impulse or anything out of just passion, out of just fire, try to sit with yourself, try to understand the consequences, the positivities, the negativities, everything before you guys are going to make any kind of move in a particular direction. And plus, Libra, you cannot force somebody or something to be with you. There are lots of factors. Divine timing. Second, maybe the person or the energy is not meant for you anymore. It was a karmic situation, it was a lesson and it's gone. Third is like whatever is meant for you is going to find a way back to you. You don't have to force something or someone to be with you. The more you are going to force someone or something to be with you, the more it's going to get delayed, the more it's going to get away from you, Libra. So instead of forcing something or someone to be with you in your life, try to release it, try to let it go, and try to live in surrender mode that if this is supposed to be with you, it will find a way back to you. If not, you have to let it go. If you are not going to let it go properly, like from your side, the universe have another ways to snatch it away from you. Simple as that. I'm not going to lie to you, to make you happy. You guys are not kids, and I can't give you like candy bar or something like, yeah, let's take it and do whatever the fuck. No, I'm a strict mother. Okay, let's see the final message as a guidance. So we have Ace of Michael, a wonderful new idea. Shift your focus somewhere else where you have control and you can do certain things. You are going to get a wonderful idea. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. Clear up communication problem with others. Don't create any kind of communication problem with anyone. Any kind of miscommunication or lack of communication can lead to some kind of troublesome energies in the coming future, especially regarding your business, okay, or job, career, you can say. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.